Hi, second standard students, how are you? Are you studied that previous lessons very well? Okay. What lesson I took to you? Food lesson. Next, what lesson you study well that? Family lesson. Are you study well? Okay. Today I take that next lesson. Okay. What type of dress I wear it now? Saree. Okay. In your home, your mother, which type of dress wear that? Chudidar. Okay. Next, your grandmother, saree. Grandfather, vesti. Okay. Your father, pant shirt. Okay. This material is called cloth. Okay. We get that cloth from that plant directly? No. Many that are different ways we product that cloth. First we get that cotton from plant. அதாவது பஞ்சு இருக்கு பத்தியா, பஞ்சை நம்ம எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்குது நம்மளுக்கு? பிளான்ட்ல இருந்து, காட்டன் ட்ரீல இருந்து கிடைக்குது. ஓகே. So first we collect the cotton, and the cotton we get that, and all the cotton is processing is called spinning. The cotton is made the thread, நூலா அத ஸ்பின்னிங்ல எடுத்துருவாங்க. Next processing what? The thread is weaving. பார்த்திருக்கியா, இப்படி இப்படின்னு மிஷின்ல செய்வாங்க பத்தியா, that is a weaving. That method we product that cloth. In our Tamil Nadu, first that cloth famous product famous is that Coimbatore. The Coimbatore is called the Manchester of Tamil Nadu. Next in Madurai, you know that Mejira coats, Visalachi mill, Meenakshi mill, that is product that cloth. மெஜிரா கோட்ஸ்லாம் இப்போலாம் நீங்கள் இந்த நம்ம பாலம், சிம்மக்கல் பாலம் போகிறப்ப பாருங்கள், அங்கே பெரிய ஒரு வீல் இருக்கும். மெஜிரா கோட்ஸ் தட் இஸ் எ வெரி ஃபேமஸ் இன் ப்ரீவியஸ் டே. முந்தி நாளாம் சின்ன குழந்தையாக இருக்கிறப்ப மெஜிரா கோட்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸானதாக இருக்கும். that product the cloth. Another one in Samayanallur, Paravai, that side Visalachi mill, Meenakshi mill, Tyagaraja mill, we say that. That is we product the cloth. The Madurai is second district of that product the cloth. Okay. So the processing is cloth is very long. First we collect the cotton from cotton plant, then we spinning that thread. The thread is weaving to cloth. Okay. We are wear that different types of cloth, that sarees, chudidar, that midi, many different that dresses are, we dress code we wear that. The gents also dhoti, pant shirt, track pant we say that, t-shirt, that all the material is cloth. But the cloth is two types. One is natural, another one is artificial. Natural means we get all the things in plant. Artificial, we mix that some of that chemical. Nowadays we wear that maximum artificial cloth only we wear, because the pure cotton dress are very costly. So maximum all the people are wear that artificial dresses only we wear that. Next we wear that dress code is compare that season also. In Tamil Nadu we have three different types of season. What are they? Summer season, winter season and rainy season. That summer season maximum we wear that cotton dress. Winter season we wear that sweater because very cool. So we wear that sweater. That rainy season we wear that raincoat. Okay. The cotton dress, we get that cotton from cotton plant. That sweater is made by wool. Where is we get that wool? Woolen cloth. Where we get that sheep. The sheep, not for that goat, sheep. Shearing, we cut that. The shearing means we cut that hair, that sheep hair. We product that woolen. Next, you know that silk saree. When we wear that silk pavada satta, pattu pavada satta, we say that நாங்க எங்க கல்யாணத்துக்கு எங்க மாமா கல்யாணத்துக்கு நாங்க பட்டு பாவாடை உடுத்திட்டு போனோம். We say that no, that silk dress where we get that silk dress or get in from silkworm. What is the meaning of silkworm? You know that butterfly. That butterfly வந்து என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா சின்ன முட்டை கொடுக்கும். அந்த முட்டை வந்து வெளியில வர்றது அடுத்த ஸ்டேஜ். அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா caterpillar. அந்த caterpillarல இருந்து தான் we product that silkworm. That silkworm, we weaving, spinning, that many method of we product that silk dress. The silk dress is very costly. In marriage function, any that special day, we wear that silk dress. Okay, so we are get 3 types of cloth. One cotton, next one wool, next one silkworm. Okay, that gents are wear that formal dress. What is the meaning of formal dress? In commonly function, parties-க்கெல்லாம் போனால் நம்ம அப்பாலாம் நல்லா நீட்டாக ஷர்ட் போட்டு ஃபுல் ஹேண்ட் ஷர்ட் போட்டு நல்லா ஸ்டைலாக பேண்ட் போட்டு we are attend that function. That dress is called formal dress. Okay. Another one, you know that uniform. Yes, that uniform is at any institution, that schools, we are go to work or school, that area places are wear that uniform. Why we wear that uniform? That is not different to anyone. அதாவது அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் காமிக்காம we wear all students wear that same dress. That is called uniform. In the institution also all the men are wear that same dress. That is called that uniform. That some of that uniform is very very important for that workers. Who are they? Police. Compulsory we wear that. Police. Next one, doctor. We are wear that white coat. We are wear that formal dress, but must wear that coat. That medical line maximum all are wear that white coat. Another one, lawyer. You see that in judge, that lawyer, we are argue that some of that time we wear that black coat. So the lawyers are wear that black coat. Next, that EB man, postman, we are wear that khaki color dress. So the uniform is very must for that some of that institution. So cloth is very very important. Why we need that cloth? That is cover that body, our body, and protect the rain, then hot, that all the season that cloth or protect themselves. So we must wear that cloth. That comfortable dress also have. Your mother that night time wear that nightie. Why? That is comfortable for your mother. So some of that people are wear that nightie, chudidar, some of that traditional dress. What is the meaning of traditional dress? Parambariya dress. In our function, that marriage function, you see that maximum all our women wear that saree, that men are wear that dhoti. So dhoti and saree also our traditional dress for that India. So all are wear that like different types of cloth. So cloth is that essential for our life. Okay, now I that some of the D words, next fill up, question answer, I send that your group, that PDF group. You open that and take your note and write it 2 times. In your fair note you copy that. Okay, done. Well, very good.